So according to me, the on offline classes are the best because by the offline classes we can face to face meet with our teacher and we can clear our whatever doubt we have we can clear easily, and in the offline classes we have a so good environment by which we can be in the discipline. So that's why offline classes are the best.
No, I beg to differ here because you talked about environment. In offline classes, the environment which we have, like if there are girls and boys sitting in the same room, so they try to be in a relationship, and boys, if they do not like any other's boy behavior, so they like bully that boy and they rag that boy.
But we have so many examples in offline classes, like student learn discipline, how to be in the discipline. But in offline classes student doesn't know how to be in the discipline, because in future the discipline works in our life.
Ultimately, I've proved my point that online classes shows that how to be in discipline, and offline classes students don't be in disciplines. And online classes are better because in online classes your transportation time, you save your transportation time. In offline classes, first you will go to your center wherever you are going for studying, then you will come from that place. At least it wastes your 1 or 1.5 hour, but in online class you save that time and you can do self study in that time.
Maybe science also proved the walking is good for our health, and that's why we should walk every day, and we are going tuition coaching where whatever where we have to
Okay,
go.
science has proved that walking is good for our health, but if you see the environment of Delhi, the pollution, the AQI, our government has also said us to be in our houses as much as we can. But I don't think that walking in this much harsh air is any more beneficial for us.
So as you talk about the environment, do you know you are taking online classes and how much our environment are polluting day by day? Because you are using internet, and internet takes your sea. Internet run by the sea, because internet is not a radiation. Internet is a physical wire, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe. And optical fiber cable, it uh,
Optical fiber.
cable, it's नीचे की ओर. It's down to the ocean, and it is day by day it is polluting our ocean, or also melting our glacier.
Okay, so how does it is related to our online classes and offline classes?
Because online
if I
class-
stop online, if I stop studying online, definitely after then also internet will also come. But if there are so many of the benefits of online classes you can get, in offline classes you can't get. The online classes, like have an example. There are so many of the urban areas in like villages where there is no any institutes, or there are no coaching centers. Their students learn from online classes. What about that?
So in online classes or in online classes you only just see the experiment, whatever experiment your teacher is doing you can only just see. But in the offline classes you can do this kind of experiment by which you can learn so many things.
In offline classes, okay, we in our schools we have done, our teachers, we have seen in our schools whenever it's time for like experiments or doing any kind of project, our teachers doesn't let us anything touch. But at the same time, in offline classes too, you are not doing any kind of experiments, your teacher is doing and he is explaining you, like this is if you add copper sulfide in this solution, so the nails get whiter and they do not get rust.
Maybe
You are not doing anything there.
maybe
sir.
every field wants experience, and without experience you cannot join anything. And in the offline classes you can do you can check your experience, whatever you know. Suppose you have to go in a company and they will say sulfur and calcium, if the both we can mix both, we mixed both of them.
Okay.
So what will happen?
Okay, good. So
So in my opinion, online classes is the best because in offline classes the abuses and no one can listen their abuses, and in online classes if he abuses, so the voice will reach to everyone, and if he abuses loudly, so his parents or her parents can be listen, and the parents can beat him or her.
So as you talked about abusing, so do you know in online classes also, in offline classes also most of the student, they bunk every day, they bunk without we can take example of most of the student, they bunk in your school every day, they abuse it without knowing anything, they keep on fighting outside of school. What do you think?
So you are supporting online classes or
Yes.
offline classes?
Online classes.
So also
Both are supporting online classes.
I would like to support offline classes.
speak.
Yes. Okay, bro. So according to me, we should join offline classes because it is better for us. So we know how. Yes. Because we get to know offline how to face problems, how to communicate people. It's a very good for our life.
So don't what did he say?
Communication.
Communicate with your friends.
Bro, on online we don't know how to communicate. Okay, are you reading now? But when you go for interview, you must know how to communicate people, how to manipulate people, because it is a part of our life. Because and the communications we cannot get at on online classes.
You can also learn this communication by doing with your friends.
Offline, na bro, that's the thing, na.
No, offline. We are talking about the classes where we read. That we study.
Bro, we cannot also but about that thing when we read in all offline classes or offline academy, so we can ask so many doubts in academy, in offline classes, but we cannot ask so many doubts on online batches.
How can you say that in online classes we can't ask many doubts? In Google you can ask, Gemini you can ask.
Bro, it's a different platform, na. It's not online classes. Topic is online offline classes.
If the sir is not taking your doubt, so you can ask to Google ChatGPT. He will explain you more than teacher.
But bro, nowadays we shouldn't trap our ChatGPT and Google. We are humans. We know we must know how to get communicate. And nowadays we should teach by we should get knowledge by the teacher, not a Google ChatGPT. They block your mind. Okay.
The world is going with technology and he is going that with
Bro, okay. So why you joined that academy? Because there is offline teacher. We can learn English by the online classes, but we are not leaving because we know very well about when you talking about the world is going technology. Because, bro, also they have a offline teacher. That's why they are learning. It's there.
Firstly, you went to personal to me because
I'm not going personal.
No,
I'm just
you
giving an
said
example
you
of
come
real
offline.
life.
You come offline, sir. So I want to tell that sir teaches offline. The sir start to teach online from now.
But bro, sir started by the offline classes. Sir famous by the offline classes, not the online classes. Okay.
Sir got famous by the offline classes because
Yes, that's why offline classes are better than online classes.
listen, because sir is getting in online classes. Why? Because online classes are better now.
Bro, it's not a matter. Now sir wants a name. That's why sir is starting to on online batches, because sir has a lots of money. Sir don't need to money. Sir needs name a name.
Okay.
That's why sir is started to
So
teaching
in the
online.
offline classes, the only student which lives in our sector is like Sultanpuri, like only far from Mangolpuri. In the online classes, they learn like Noida, like far from Delhi.
Bro, now we are also in Sultanpuri and we are learning a language, and we are also sincere student, and we are also disciplined. That's why I say, bro, it's up to us, not some mentally, not some environment. Okay.
Okay, he wants to speak.
Okay, in online classes, we will not learn many things like I'm supporting online classes, offline classes. Sorry, offline classes.
He is in the favor of offline.
Yeah. So in offline classes, we okay.
You give your opinion.
Okay, in offline classes we learn many things like gender equality and relations with friends. We will make friends and experience, which is most important thing. And whenever we go anywhere, like in a job interview or anywhere, so we will show our what we call communication or our क्या बोलते हैं हाथ वगैरह से?
Hand moves.
Yeah, head movements or many things like body language. We have to show body language, which we can't learn in online classes. And excuse me.
So in my opinion, online classes is better than offline classes, because in online classes, how many people can learn by the way of YouTube, Instagram, how many ways.
Okay, in online classes, you're saying from YouTube, they will not clear their doubt instantly. But in offline classes, we can clear our doubt instantly with a teacher. And
Like if you have a doubt in your home, but you can't understand, you can't ask from your teacher. You can ask from your.
we should have that much courage to ask teacher. that will make or increase in offline class. When we eat in home and taking online classes, we can't increase our confidence, like to talk someone or communicate someone. We will be introvert.
Okay.
Krish, you want to counter? No. You want to give your opinion? Okay, yes, you give your opinion.
Online, offline.
Online.
Online. Online, so you have to.
Take the mic.
Okay.
Okay, in my opinion, online classes good, and some people says that in offline classes we have experience. In future, we take the interview. So I tell you that some people have the camera phobic, like camera fear, and today nowadays the companies take interview online, you know about, they takes online. So I think you know how to like communicate on the camera, and how your expression will be, like how to talk. I think this is important nowadays.
So you are supporting online. So what is the benefit of online? Like when in offline classes, in online classes, so many children they keep on going to toilet, and they keep on eating. That's it. Your online classes, and and when you are taking online classes, when internet is breaking, so what will you do?
So bro, you talk about that when we take class.
Firstly, speak loud.
We are a camera में जा रहा
हमें तो smile दे.
हाँ. So you talk about that when we take online classes, we घूमने को कहते हैं, we wander any here and there. So bro, in offline classes it also happen. Some people are doing bunk, they are doing wrong things. So I think your target is studying, not.
I have seen so many children, they don't take online classes when they are only start to online class, and they drop our phone in sofa like bed, and they are wandering.
So in offline classes, so many students are bunk from their class in school. What about them?
Firstly, when they are only bunk on 1 to 2 period, but in online classes you can see, you can I have seen so many things in online classes. In lockdown, no, and I can't see in your perspective, but I don't take online classes, and he's not only also taking online classes, and he also not taking online classes,
it's your-
and he also not taking online classes.
It's
But
your
about-
sir and your school's
It's your sir.
responsibility that don't make rule that when you take online classes, please turn on your camera, etc.
because of so many students, they back out, they abuses.
Huh?
That's it.
What?
They abusing, they keeps on abusing, abusing yaar.
He's talking about after muting the audio, they keep abusing behind of that.
No, I say na. There is some rule that you should turn on your camera, and when you want to speak, turn your mic. And sir also stare students that who is attention here or not. I think it's.
But so many students, they don't take online classes.
Okay, Himanshu also wants to speak. And give second time to Chandan. He also wants to speak.
Battery खत्म हो गई.
Take that. Then give it to Chandan.
In my point of view, offline classes are best because in offline classes we get only main one thing, environment. By the environment we can do everything but we won't. Like if here we are getting environment of speaking English, that's why we are being able to speak in English, and in tuitions we are getting environment of studying, that's why we are being able to get top.
So bro, as you are talking about the environment, so don't you know about there are so many coaches who what kind of environment they have, like in most of the students, they try to get into relationship. They are doing fight outside the academy and outside their coaching, and they didn't to study.
So maybe you are going in Didi Bhaiya coaching. We are not going because if you go any professional coaching, so they will focus and they will make you friend. They will not make you enemy. Okay. I used to study in Didi Bhaiya's tuition. They didn't open the tuition. They opened the marriage bureau. So I have left that tuition.
Did you hear the name of physics wala? Did you hear the name of?
Yeah.
Do you know in the NSP what happened? There were some boys who beat a boy like a very badly way, and he has to hospitalize because of the injury.
Okay.
They beat him very badly.
So where is physics wala popular? In offline, in online?
It is popular in both.
No, it's popular in online and
Then don't you know about the physics wala Rajasthan? There were so many people who goes to Rajasthan to study from Kota, and they studied NEET and
okay.
JEE.
Tell me benefits of online classes.
I'm telling you, there are so in India there are so many people who comes from village, and in online class what happen? You get there are so many teachers who takes very much high fees, and in online class you can get the same teacher from a very cheap price, like 4 and 5,000 from an academy and physics.
Okay, as you have talked about, you can get same teacher. Is he twin of him? You can't get.
Is he twin of him?
Okay, you can't get exactly same. Everyone's teaching style are different, and if he's teaching and if he's taking more fees, maybe he's giving more attention because of the environment. He's also giving you environment in online classes, offline classes. Sorry.
I'm telling you, but there in India there are so many poor people who don't have that much money.
They don't have money. They don't have money for online classes, offline classes. They have money for purchasing phone and for taking online classes.
So phone is not that much costly, bro. It is 5,000. Do you know the listen at first listen. Do you know the fees of Toda? Like if you go to Toda and take coaching from like NEET and JEE, do you know what is the fees?
Okay,
it is 1.5 lakh, bro. Don't you know about that? Poor people cannot afford that much fee.
After cracking the NEET exam and JEE exam,
so you can get from the online. You can
will not get more than it. Will you not get it more than it?
You will get. But you can get from online classes.
It is an investment.
Listen.
Okay. It is an
Listen, the same teacher is teaching you online, and the same teacher is teaching you offline. Why are you taking offline? In offline, what happened?
Because we are getting environment, that's why we are taking offline.
What kind of environment, bro? I'm not telling you now.
Okay, which type of environment you are getting in
online classes? Yeah. I'm very like if I'm at my house, so I'm very focused. I can do only study, and nobody's here to distract me. In what happened in offline classes, they will talk you like beachless thing like digital and whatever is sir.
Okay, so they can also teach in online classes, and as you have talked about, I will be in room. So your mother say that bring coriander, bring potato. So will you not go? And if you will not go, if you don't go, so your mother will beat you with the slippers.
Listen. I think your personal issue is there is not if you are studying online, so our mother is also not that you are studying, so why will she disturb you? Why will she disturb you?
Listen, I used to study in online also, but my mother used to say that bring coriander, bring potato. But
bro, that's your person. That's your.
And that is not. It is a story of every house.
Why are you talking about personal, bro? We are talking about majority. It is not happening to majority like.
It is happening in majority. It is not happening in. Means I have told that it is a story of every house. It is not a story of all.
It is a story of only your house, bro.
No, it is a story of every house.
Every mother wants to like if his son and her daughter is studying, So definitely she will not disturb, and
Why she will not study? Okay.
she will encourage you to study more and more.
Arey,
She will
why
not disturb you.
Okay, if she has some work, so will you not will she not
She
call
can
you?
she can do answer,
So
bro.
why-
What kind of mentality? She
So
can do
why are you
answer.
going out of the topic? Come in there.
You are going out of the topic.
Okay. Now it's time for Jihan. He wants to give you take mic. Take mic from them.
I think offline classes are more better than online classes because in some cases student bunks and a student she is saying to the teacher that meet me outside, I will do something with you or I will beat you, and in some cases student kill a student. It is also happens.
Okay, it's time for opinion. Whoever who wants to give their opinion, you can, or if you want to counter, you should counter. Give it to Vandana.
In my point of view, online class is more better than offline classes because offline classes environment is not safe for means in government school all most of the student always abusing and fighting and keep relationship, because in my school most of the student abusing and like in bunnies.
Okay. Just give it to Thomas.
I have point of view in offline classes are better than online classes, and everyone talking about online classes is bad, but offline classes is bad because online classes better than online classes. And offline classes, do you have any doubts, so you can ask our teacher and you can ask our your teacher and our friends, your friends, and that's the reason offline classes is bad, and they are keeps on or online classes they are keep on doing also taking offline classes, but they are supporting online classes. What are they doing in our future?
Okay, Mahesh, please give it to Mahesh. Which class you want to support, online or offline?
I support both because if I taking online classes,
Continue. Speak. Good. If you take online classes, so
if I take online classes, we get more knowledge in different types of teachers,
right.
and more. Or if I take offline classes, we get knowledge
By our favorite teacher.
by our favorite teachers.
Okay, good. So Abhishek, then give it to Priya. Okay.
So my point is, those people were supporting the online classes. Let me tell you clear one thing. Like, if you are doing online classes, it is okay. But if you are taking online classes, it is okay. But after taking online classes, whatever exam you are preparing for like you are preparing for the JEE, NEET, whatever UPSC, whatever exam are you preparing, after that you have to go in the offline, because after UPSC you have to go the Labasna, where you will have to go necessary, and after JEE you have to go IITs. It is also online. And my second point is, always offline class is best because environments is matter, because in online classes you keep on changing your teacher. It is not good. You should select only one teacher by which you can teach, and you can learn easily.
Okay, so in my perspective, the online classes are much better than the offline classes, because if I talk about the offline classes, the environment affects on the most of the student, because what is happening right nowadays, the college, the society, the school, these kind of those things, they are affecting on the each and every person, by which they are not able to get the more and more knowledge, by which they can get the online classes. So it is a thing that.
Okay. Joy. I want to counter his point.
Abhishek's point. Okay, as you talked about, like after cracking JEE, we will have to go IITs, or after cracking NEET, we'll have to do medical colleges. Okay, that is very obvious, because we do not have any kind of choice. We will have to go, because for becoming a doctor, we'll have to do physical practices. But whenever we have a choice in online classes or offline classes, sir, definitely we will choose online classes because it is much cheaper than offline classes, because offline classes fees, as we talked about, it is in lakhs and everybody cannot afford that much fees. But if I talk about online classes, so online classes are much cheaper than that. You can get online courses in 5 to 6,000 rupees for whole year and you can prepare for it. And if I talk about dedication, so dedication, it depends on a student how much dedicated he is towards his goals. If imagine a situation, a student who is not at all dedicated towards his goal and he is sitting in an offline institute, so definitely he is only physically sitting there but mentally he is somewhere else. And if a student who is dedicated towards his goal so much, or he is taking online classes for 5 to 6,000 rupees batch, so definitely he will crack his exam for whatever he is preparing.
So as you mentioned about the fee structure of the online classes and offline classes, so I aspire to know that what is the fees of AIMS?
But the fees of AIMS? AIMS fees is much
only
cheaper.
5,000.
Do you know
It is
the seats in
offline.
AIMS? Do you know the seats in AIMS?
Let me complete.
Okay, then
AIMS
after completing, tell me the seats in AIMS as well.
seats in the AIMS maybe 500
No,
around.
not at all. 125 seats.
Okay, only one AIMS. We have so many AIMS.
How many AIMS do we have?
8 to 9.
Okay, do you know how many students give a NEET exam every year?
Every exam has the same problem, bro. Only not you have.
Okay.
Let me.
If I tell all the AIMS, like imagine there is, I think 17 or 18 AIMS in all over the India, and in every AIMS there is 125 to 150 seats. So if I calculate, so there would be like 2,500 to 3,000 seats, and NEET aspirants are in lakhs, 25 lakhs, and only 25 to 2,500 to 3,000.
So what did I?
get selected?
So what did
for
I
those
say?
seats.
Every exam has a same problem. Like if you are preparing for UPSC also has only 180 seats.
Yeah.
UPSC not have that much seat
But in online
as
classes,
people
you will
giving.
get course in very cheap price. But in offline classes, you will have to pay lakhs of.
Okay. Every physics wala and Akash, whatever they are teaching NEET JEE, they have a result from the offline classes. The online classes result is very less. Whatever result they provide by the offline classes.
There is a student, Avika from our batch. Her sister just cracked NEET exam last year, and she used to study from the online batch.
You are talking about only one student, and we have so many
Result
students.
is related to a student's dedication, how much dedicated he is towards his goal. It doesn't relate to the offline classes, neither online classes.
As
It's
you
about
are.
us to how does the student study.
Okay.
Go there and take my. एक बीच में वो बोल
So, as he has talked about the price fees structure of the online classes and offline classes, as you are getting cheap price in online classes, so you are also getting cheap knowledge in online classes. You are not getting as much knowledge as much you are getting in offline classes.
Maybe you haven't taken online classes yet, because if you
I have
ever-
taken.
From which app?
From which app? Next toppers. Okay.
No. Okay, next toppers. Even they teach on YouTube very well, and if they teach in paid subscription, they will teach fabulous.
They teach
You never wanted-
ridiculous. They teach ridiculous.
How do
okay.
you know they taught ridiculous?
Because I have learned by there, na. I have learned by them.
Yeah, you said that I have learned from there. You have learned so many things, and still you are just saying
Okay.
ridiculous.
Yeah, that is ridiculous because they are not teaching as good as we
So,
learn in
There are so
offline
many teachers
classes.
in offline classes as well who does not teach very well. Like in your schools, they are in government schools. If I talk
Okay.
about, there are so many teachers. Even they do not teach. They do not teach.
So do you know why government has they are not let us teach in online classes? Because they know that environment matters and they are giving us environment, and it depends on the student. If he's not teaching, so if they are not teaching, it's not up to them. If it's not up to us, it's up to them that they are reading or not.
No. Have you ever heard of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Nobody used to teach him, but still he learned so
Okay.
many things. He took so many of the degrees.
So can you become Dr. B.R.
Why
Ambedkar?
not?
You can't
Why not?
become, because I know you can't become.
Why not?
I
You
know.
cannot become. You cannot become. I cannot say that
I
nobody
know.
can become like
I
him.
don't know. I know. I cannot become. I
Yeah,
also
you know about
can't
you only.
no, I cannot become and you cannot become.
Nobody needs no predictions.
No prediction. It's not a prediction. It's the reality because I know you that how you are. Okay.
Okay, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, you know. I know also how you are.
So why are you going personal?
Then why did you comment it personal on me?
So why didn't you?
You said
find my
that it
mistake?
is.
Why didn't
You
find
said
my
that
mistake?
it is related. It is depend on the teacher how to teach. It is not dependent on the student. It's up to the teacher. I said, have you ever heard of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Nobody used to teach him.
I didn't say you didn't listen. Maybe because I said that it depends on the students and teacher both. That if they want to teach and they want to learn, so they can learn. If they don't want to teach and they want to learn.
So I am telling. So I am telling about online classes. So their coming our journeys is take online classes because their student and their children will watch videos वगैरह like phone as well, and governments wants to government said also take online classes because they have a safe time as well, because government compare the other countries. The government is making a rules for watch online classes and save a time, and after some time will peoples and elder and younger also do job, not going or the office, not going to office, and government they were take online classes at home, do work online classes at home as well. So come on.
Okay, guys, good.